Hello learner, today I am going to discuss all about planner. What is planner, why it is important and how we can get maximum out of it. Besides that, I will also discuss why we need it, how to make best out of it. I will discuss the strategy with you. And next one, how to shape our day in a better manner with the help of a planner and how to get the maximum output from a particular day. Lastly, I will discuss whether to buy it from market or just make it on our own. And also, I will explain how I made my planner and how I'm using it, whether it is benefiting me or not. So please be with me. I will discuss all the thing with you. The first one, what is planner? A planner is nothing but the data sheet of your whole day. It really helps you. It keeps you on track and it says whether you are going in the right direction or wrong direction. So it is necessary to have a planner. The next one, why we need it. Yes, it really we need it. Why we need it? Because see, without a schedule, without a planner, we tend to do mistake. We tend to fail. Uh, we tend to deviate. Why? Because there's tendency of postponing the thing. We tend to postpone the thing. Yeah, I will do this thing on tomorrow and that day and that day. But if you have a planner, if you have a plan, if you have pre-planned the thing, means that you are going to success. You are going to make the best out of it, and you will be really victorious. So it is necessary to have a plan. I think you are understanding that thing. The next one, how to make best out of it. Yes, just stick to it, stick to your plan. If you are early bird, then it's okay. If you're not early bird, then also it's okay. But whatever is your plan, whenever you're starting your day, just stick to your plan. And one thing you have to remember is that when you leave your bed, just arrange your bed and table. Don't lie on bed again. Why? Because there is tendency, because there's lethargy in our in human mind. We think that yeah, 5 minutes we should sleep more, we snooze the alarm. So all this tendency is associated with all of us, not only you, but also it is associated with many of us. So it's better uh, when your alarm rings, just leave your bed and arrange your bed and table, just fold your blanket and just sit on your chair. Okay. And the next one, how to shape our day. Yes, shaping our day, just extending the previous point. Here also, if you're early bird, just wake up early. And it is in English there is a term stacking up. Means if you start the first thing, if you start your day in a better way, the next thing it automatically becomes refined. It automatically becomes aligned. So means that whenever you start your day, you have a schedule, you have a plan, and you are going in right direction, you are following that plan, or ultimately what will happen, it will help you to achieve your goal. That's our aim. And the next one, whether to buy it from market or not, I will suggest no, don't buy it from market. Why I'm saying this? Because see, in market they make according to their preference. They don't know that whether you are a office going person, whether you are a school children, whether you are full-time learner, or whether you are full-time student. So it's better to make your own plan, better to write what's needed for you. So just buy a simple diary from a market and just list down your necessity, your what you want to do, what you want to achieve. So this is the best way, that just buy a diary and just list it down, and your working area and what you want to achieve. Simple. So now I'm going to discuss my experience and how I made my planner. Simply, if you see my planner, if you see on screen, there is 3 columns. In first column, it is time tracker. In second column, there is many sections. If you see first section, it is in study corner, study related thing. Means whatever your plan, what you want to achieve, just write it down. And it's in second section, here it is other important section. Other important section may what you can do, just you write those things what you tend to forget, but really you don't want to do. Just like yoga you can write, You can write night brush, you can write arranging bed and table, you can write also water intake. So all those things, whatever you feel that yeah, this is necessary for my life, this is necessary for me, but I forget, unfortunately. So just mention it down here. And next one, there is a meal tracker. Meal tracker may you can write if whenever you are taking, when you are taking lunch, snacks and all those things. And last, it is gratitude corner. In gratitude corner, you just show some respect, whatever helping you in your life. Just you can show gratitude. You can show gratitude towards your parents, your teachers, your table, your pen, the fresh air of morning, all those things, whatever is helping you, whatever just boosting your energy, you can write here. And lastly, there is a third column, status column. Status column, you can just tick whether you have achieved your goal or not, or you can cross it. And you can also write the cause of it, why you have failed, or if you have achieved, you just write how you feel, something in very brief you can write it here. Okay. And one thing, before making this plan, before doing all these things, what you have to do, you have to write weekly goal. What is weekly goal? Weekly goal means that you have to write what I am going to do in that particular week. Means that your goal is clear, the vision is clear. Now we are going to do on this planner. So everything is pre-planned in a better manner. So how to do goal setting? Goal setting means you have to make a weekly plan. Weekly plan, you write in what is achievable in 6 days. Don't work on Sunday. Why? Because on Sunday there must be a rest, and do the work of your interest. Just do your hobby. So Sunday must be a rest, and for 6 days you have to make plan before, one day before. Means that if it is Sunday, just do everything on Sunday, and next 6 day just write in your planner. And again on Sunday, just assess yourself what I have achieved and where I am lacking. So it will reflect, what you have done, and where you are lacking, and where we have to improve yourself. So everything is in right direction, right manner, and you certainly enjoy this process. If you do for 6 7 day, and we can say, if you do for 15 days, you see the change. You see the change in you, and really you will improve day by day. So it really help us, it will really help you. I'm sure if you do this, you will enjoy the process. So what I'm just summarizing the thing. Keyword: at first you have to first the goal setting. You have to make a weekly goal. The next one is planner. You do every day. You just write a plan, you just mention it here. And just like if you fail to do on some day, or if you fail to do some activity, just write it here. It will remind you next day that yeah, I have failed that thing one day before, so I have to do it today. Because and you know your problem, and you know your negatives, where you are lacking. So it will boost, it will boost up you, it will boost you, and it will give a new direction, a new lease of life to your ambitions. So start doing, don't stop. And have patience, have I'm sure you will do it. And the next one is, after goal setting, you have all 6 day planner. And the last one is assessment part. And now you have to check that how you achieved, and the what is the learning outcome from it. Means you write everything, how much you studied, and whether you did yoga all the day or not, what was your status of water intake, and what is the status of all other things. So it is very necessary to assess all those things, so that you can improve yourself in next week. Okay. So I think I have summarized whole thing.